Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today we're going to be talking about the new AI that Snapchat just launched. And if you're looking on the screen right now, you can see that we are on Snapchat newsroom page. And you can see right here, today we are launching My AI, a new chatbot running the latest version of OpenAI's GPT technology. And then you can not only see this in Snapchat, a lot of social media giants have been adopting OpenAI's technology. We've seen Bing, the browser, adopting this technology. We've seen Microsoft creating Bard. We have seen Facebook creating their new Llama technology, and then we've seen even streaming services like Spotify utilizing OpenAI's technology into their apps. And then Snapchat is no different. They are just rolling out this feature right now, and then this was just released about 3 hours ago. And then basically what this is going to be doing is it's going to be answering some quick questions or some quick plans, and then it's going to be using generative text to generate answers of this for you. And then this is going to be rolled out as an experimental feature for Snapchat Plus subscribers this week. And if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure you also click on the bell icon so that I get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Now, this has not been rolled out for everyone yet, and like I said before, it's going to be rolled out for Snapchat Plus subscribers. Yes, Snapchat has a premium service, and then if you want to subscribe to this premium service, all you have to do is you go to your profile, you tap on the Snapchat Plus icon, and then you're going to be debited from your credit card, and then you're going to be eligible for the Spotify premium service. But this does not mean you will not be able to use this AI on your smartphone, because after it's rolled out for premium subscribers in this first week, then over time it's going to be rolled out for the other 750 million subscribers on Snapchat. And then going on Twitter right now, you can see a lot of people are talking about this. It's a new AI from Snapchat, and then you can see you can talk to My AI similar to ChatGPT. You can give it a name, you can customize the wallpaper for your chat and all that. And today we're going to be looking at how the AI is going to work on your Snapchat. Now all you have to do is you go to your Snapchat application, and then you search for My AI, and then once you are on My AI's page, then you can ask it any question. You can type hi, and then the AI is gonna reply you. And then you can see that right there, hey, what can I help you with? Then if I were to ask this AI a very simple question like writing a haiku for babies, let's see right now, I'm just gonna be writing a quick question for the AI. Hey, like you can see right there, it's gonna take a little while, but then this generative text is gonna send you something on her haiku for babies. You can see it's typing right there, and I can see right there that is a haiku about babies. So basically this is how this new feature is going to work. And then you can use this for different test cases. You can use it to plan things like hiking trips and other things. You can see right here some examples of things that My AI can help with include planning your hiking trip, recommending birthday present ideas, suggesting dinner recipes, and for fans of Japanese verse, writing a haiku. And you can see that right here, that's what we just did right now. We wrote a haiku about babies using the AI. And then basically the team from Snapchat has talked about this, that the AI is prone to hallucination and can be tricked into saying just about anything, but Snapchat tells its users to be aware of its many deficiencies and sorry in advance for its potential mistakes. And then unlike Bing's ChatGPT powered chatbot, the AI is very customizable. Like I said before, you can give it a name, you can customize your wallpaper, and then you can also hold on any message that the AI gives you, and then you can submit feedback to help guide it towards a better behavior. And then Snapchat has taken some measures to curb generating essays. Like when you use the normal OpenAI's ChatGPT OG version on the website, you can generate things like long text like essays for academic writings and purposes. But then the one on Snapchat has been limited. It cannot generate that for you. Snapchat has put some things in place where it cannot generate essays for academic writings and all that. So it has crashed all that, and then it has made it as simple as possible. It's just basically like your own personal chatbot on the Snapchat application. So basically guys, that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now, and make sure you also click on the bell icon so that I get notifications to know when a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.